Welcome to Study Loop.
Organic chemistry textbook. And this problem presents us with oxytocin. And we're asked to classify each amide in oxytocin as primary, secondary, or tertiary. And so remember, in order to do that, amides are going to be classified based on the number of carbon-nitrogen bonds. So if the only bond to a carbon that the nitrogen has is the bond to the carbonyl carbon, that's going to make an amide primary. And so I've written a little key to the right here. So I'm going to red arrow all the primary amides. And so there's one here. There is one here. There's one here. 1, 2, 3. There's one. That's not an amide, though. That's an amine. Okay, so those three are the only three primary amides. I'm actually going to do the tertiary amide next because there's only one of them. And so it's this one right here where the nitrogen has 3 bonds to carbons. So 1 to the carbonyl carbon and then 2 to 2 other carbons. And so that is a tertiary amide. Okay, and there's only one of them. And now there are 7 secondary amides in this molecule. So every other amide that I haven't identified yet is going to be secondary. And so they're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so remember, the amide is the entire unit. So the carbonyl carbon double bonded to the oxygen and then with a single bond to the nitrogen. So it's that whole unit. I just drew the arrows pointing to the nitrogens, but the amide would include the whole unit. And so again, remember, they are classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary based on how many carbon-nitrogen bonds are present in the amide. And so there are 3 primaries here. They're red arrowed. There are 7 secondaries, which I've indicated with green arrows. And then there is that 1 tertiary in the middle that is indicated with a blue arrow. And that is the answer to chapter 22, problem number 1.